Hi friends, welcome to Bare Skin Act. This is my channel where I review beauty products and test them on my bare skin. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out my other videos where I review the most popular skincare products on the market. Hi everyone, it's so nice to be back, and today I'm bringing you another product from Skinceuticals. So if you are familiar with the products that I review, I'm a really big fan of products that are science-based and plant-based, and Skinceuticals is a brand that is very much science-based. It's used broadly in a lot of spas and medical treatment centers. They don't spend a ton of money on marketing, so you may or may not have heard of them. But in my channel, I have reviewed a number of their products, so please check it out. Today, I'm going to bring you another one of my favorite products, and it is a moisturizer, the Triple Lipid Restore 242. Some of you have asked me what moisturizer I've been using, and this one is definitely a frequent visitor in my cabinet. As I enter my 30s, I start to notice fine lines and frequently dried out skin and flake, and really want to seek out a moisturizer that tackles fine lines, early signs of aging, and provides a lot of hydration to my skin. And Triple Lipid Restore Moisturizer from Skinceuticals really does that. It is an anti-aging cream that improves the texture of the skin and also restores the loss of lipid. It is formulated with a concentration of lipids which consists of 2% pure ceramides, 4% natural cholesterol, and 2% fatty acids, hence the 242. So I'm going to put it on my face right now so you can see how it applies on my skin. I just applied a layer of the Triple Lipid Restore 242 moisturizer on my face, and I can tell you it's a very nice creamy textured white moisturizer, and it doesn't have any floral, any added scent smell. It really just only has a little bit of a medicinal smell, and it's not very pungent. What I do is I usually use this as the very last step in my daytime routine. So I will do the toner, the essence, the serum, and then the last step will be the moisturizer. If you have to use makeup, this should come before any primer or foundation or concealer type of color products that you're going to use. If you're working from home or if you don't have plan to go out, this could very much be your last step of your skincare routine, and it should last you all day. It should provide that hydration, that continuous skin protection barrier that you can use throughout your day. This moisturizer retails $150 for a 48 ml jar like this, or 1.6 fluid ounce jar. Very heavy, it has a very nice hand feel. I always appreciate a good packaging. The product in itself is very generous, so if you only use this during daytime, it should last you at least 6 to 9 months. Sometimes I use it at nighttime as well. After serum, I will apply this moisturizer, and then in addition, I may use another night mask or sleeping mask. You don't have to use this at nighttime. I actually prefer this to be a morning time moisturizer because it is light, it is not very oily or heavy, so it's perfect before makeup. That's it friends, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this product that I bring you, and check out the other Skinceuticals products that I review on my channel. I'll see you next time.